Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be doing this install. We're going to be doing a swoop. Stick around for more details. Today's hair sponsor is Premium Lace Wigs. This is actually my second collaboration. I recently worked with them. Today I have installed a 24-inch straight 13x4 frontal wig. Okay guys, so a couple things I wanted to point out was the color of this lace. It is darker than my skin. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but yeah, it is like 3 shades darker. It's almost looking gray. So I usually don't like to wear black when I wear when I'm doing wigs, but this wig is actually very brown. I thought to show you guys a good contrast to wear it against a black top. So this is the difference. This is the color of the wig. It's a very natural brown color. Actually, the wig itself feels beautiful, but the only thing that I'm having an issue with so far is the color of the lace. So I think I'm going to change my top for the rest of this video because I just wanted to show you guys the difference, but I don't want to continue to wear the black.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try.
Can you guys see that? So it's not a huge deal. It's not looking that bad on camera, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Should we do a swoop instead, you guys? I don't ever do swoops. So right now I'm just trying to get a feel for the amount of hair that's here. I think that's about good. That's about what I want to work with. Even though this will be my first time doing a swoop, I'm gonna create baby hairs on this side here.
You try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
My order of this might be totally messed up, but that's just how I feel like doing it in this order.
Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying.
So now I'm gonna knot it. I'm exhausted. Some hard work.
Try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get.
I'm still seeing really dark lace. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna try to hide it with some foundation.
Sometimes you fall. Keep it in here, don't knock it before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it.
You guys know I'm very transparent in my reviews. It's definitely like thin around the ends of the hair. I didn't even flat iron it super flat because I knew it would look very thin. My biggest issue that I had with this lace, it was so dark that I had to do this style. You know, I was thinking about doing bangs for this wig. We ended up doing the little swoop. I've never done a swoop on my channel like this before. So it was kind of like just trying out something new. We were learning together. I tried to highlight the wig in the best way possible that I can think of, so that's what I did. The hair on the unit is actually very nice, beautiful, you know, virgin hair. It's giving very brown. You might not notice it right now because I'm wearing this color shirt, but as you guys saw in the original portion of the video, when I first put the wig on, I was wearing a black shirt just so you guys can see the differences. This is like a number 4 or 2 color brown. It's definitely not black. As you guys can see, you can see the brown there. This wig would actually be perfect for someone that is darker than my complexion, because then that lace will blend nicely onto your skin tone. Lace this color was so, you know, like 4, 5, 6 years ago. Nowadays, no one wants to buy a wig with the lace that dark. I'm sorry, I'm just not a fan of that. You guys can take what you will from this review. If you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. I'll leave it there, and I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye for now.